Hello, future employers. My name is Maria Joanna Baloran, 27 years of age, college graduate, and I'm currently living at Quezon City. I don't have kids right now, but I have one adopted kid. He is 7 years old right now. I have two brothers, and I am the first in the family. I have working experience for 6 years. I serve one couple and three kids, ages newborn, 7 years old and 4 years old. And another family for 2 years and 5 months, one couple, and kids ages 2 and 8. My duties are cooking, doing laundry, taking good care of newborn and toddlers, ironing, cleaning, car washing, bring and fetch the kids to school and bring back to house. I am working, dedicated, and willing to learn the task given. If you will hire me, I will do my best to do my duty well. Thank you and God bless.